Hi everyone, my name is Keith Powell and I'm the Customer Success Engineer here at Tapcart. Today I'll guide you through adding the Rebuy product recommendations custom block to your app. First, head over to the GitHub repo to find the product recommendations template. And let's just start from the beginning here. And we're going to locate the product recommendations template here for Rebuy. Boom. Once you've found the template, open up a new window over here and access your Tapcart dashboard. From here, go to App Studio and then to the product detail page. Locate the Custom Blocks tab and click Launch Block Editor. From here, you can delete all of the code that you find in the HTML, CSS files. There's no code in the JS file currently. So go ahead and delete everything. Now navigate back to the repo, and we're going to start copying over the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS files for this product recommendations block. So we'll start with the index HTML. Oops, I copied that into the wrong one. Here we are. Next, we'll go to find our CSS, and if you can't find it in this right-hand panel, you can locate it in the left-hand navigation here. Just make sure you're under Rebuy product recommendations. Find the CSS file. Copy everything, paste it, and now we'll look for our scripts.js file. Awesome. And as you can see, something is starting to preview here in our previewer. Next, you'll need to customize specific data points to match your Shopify store. To figure out which data points to customize, head over to the README doc that's located in the template folder. And then go to point number 4. Make some code edits. Line 3 in your JavaScript file should be replaced with your Rebuy API key. And that you'll find line 3 here in your JavaScript file. So this value will need to be changed to your actual API key. Line 6 in your JS file should be commented out, and line 9 should be uncommented if you want to show similar products instead of recommended products. So out of the gate, line 6 is going to be uncommented out, but if you want to see the similar products, unhighlight or uncomment out line number 9, like so. To uncomment out, all you have to do is hit Command and then / if you're on Mac. But you also have to comment out line number 6, like so, Command and /. On line 31 in your CS file should be updated to change the background color of the Add to Cart button. So if we navigate to the CSS file, go to line number 31, and this is where you can update the background with the appropriate hex code color. After making these code edits, remember to save your block, so you can name it here. Close out there. And you can drop this block anywhere on your PDP or on the home page. So make sure that you're in product detail if you want to put this on the PDP, and you can simply drop it anywhere you'd like. Hit save, and you're good to go. Hopefully that helped you out implementing your product rebuy block. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to your account manager. Thank you.